People ask me, Slot Father, how do you do it? How do you keep them coming back time after time playing your slots? Beautiful. You're a good earner, kid. Here's your thing. I tell them it's simple. I offer them a jackpot they can't refuse.